Hi, I'm Frank. In my video on changing the spark plugs on a Mercedes GLE 350, I didn't show how to remove the ECU, and I got a couple of comments on how do I do that. It really is pretty easy, so I'm going to show you. After lifting the hood, we're going to remove this plastic piece. It just pops up and out of the way. Here is the ECU that we want to get out of the way. It's held in really just by some rubber grommets. We're not going to completely disconnect the ECU, so there's no need to remove the battery terminals or anything like that. But you have this wiring harness here that comes to this connector. So we're going to just remove this connector out so that it will free up this cabling here for when we lift the ECU. So I have this connector now out of the way, and now we lift up on the ECU. Right here is where one of the grommet connectors are. My hand is from the bottom. I don't know if you saw that, but I went to the bottom and I lifted up. Now the ECU is out of the way, and I'll show you right here is one of the plugs. Here is another one. Here is another one, and there is the fourth one. So there are four holding this in, and it'll go here, here, there, and there. So all this does is just plug in. So all you have to do is just reach from the bottom and lift up, and the ECU is now out of the way. I can swing it over this way to get to plugs. I can bring it over here. Whatever I need to do in order to get the ECU out of the way to get to the spark plugs. To put it back in, I want you to also note this is the bottom of the ECU, and there's a tab here. That tab goes into this slot right here. So there's a slot, and then the two rubber grommets on the bottom, and then the two rubber grommets up top, there and there. So as you align this, make sure that tab gets in there. Once you have it lined up on top and on bottom, and everything's pretty secure, now we're just going to push down until it is fully seated, and you can feel that it's down all the way. You can double check to make sure the grommets are fully seated there on the bottom. And on the top, do a little tug back so you know that that's good. Now we're going to put our connector back in. So there you have it. The ECU removal, which is an easy task on the Mercedes GLE, requires no tools. Just pull from the bottom, snap up from those rubber grommets, and put it back in reverse. Simple as that.